In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can prepare this multicolored rhinestone template to iron onto a t-shirt. Okay. All right, I've cut out my different templates using some heavyweight cardstock. This is the heavyweight cardstock you can get at Hobby Lobby. And I have sprayed the back of it with some temporary adhesive just to make it a little bit tacky. And I'm going to start with my black layer. And I'm just going to line it up with my grid lines here. And to make sure it stays down, I'm going to just add some tape. Now I'm going to start with my black rhinestones. This is SS10 rhinestones. And so I will just pour them on like this. Then I'll use my tool here and just in circular motion. So I'm going to continue to do little circular motions to try and get the rhinestones to go into the holes with the right side up. And then I'll start brushing the rhinestones to the side. And then any rhinestones that didn't go in, I will use my pickup tool and place them in their slots. Okay, so now I've got the black rhinestones put into the black template, and I've got my heat resistant transfer tape. And what I'll do is I'll just put a little bit off here so that I can tape this half down to the table. So I'm going to just use some painter's tape and just tape this down. Then I'm going to remove the rest of the liner and just fold it over, keeping it taut. Like this. Then I will slowly start to lift it up. And if it's missing some rhinestones, then I'll keep working at it until it picks it up. And I'll keep working at it, and if it doesn't pick up a particular rhinestone, sometimes if you loosen the rhinestone a little bit in the hole, because these holes are a little bit tight, it will help in picking up the rhinestone. And sorry again for my head getting in the way. Then I'm going to put this and just kind of push this down to make sure they're all firmly placed. And I'll put my next template down, which is going to be the silver, and I'm just going to overlay it with the last one. And I'll repeat the same procedure that we did with the black rhinestones. This time I'm going to be using the clear rhinestones, and start by pouring them onto the template and then rubbing them into the holes using circular motions. Then I'll use my jewel picker to fill up any of the holes that I missed in the previous step. Then we'll take this off. And we'll hold this taut and just lower it down. And once again, I'm going to slowly lift the transfer tape up, making sure that I've got all of the rhinestones. Right, one. And we'll put our next layer on, lining up the different layers. And now I'm going to use some topaz rhinestones to add a yellowish color to the design. And following the same procedure that I did for the previous colors. And then we'll do our final template, which is the blue colors. And this is sapphire blue color for the rhinestones. And using the same procedure that we use for all the other colors. And this is the final multicolor design that is ready now to be ironed on to a t-shirt. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!